Both my bangs and ponytails come with easy application instructions that are included right in the packet. This is Shane. Even though her hair is very short, she loves wearing my ponytails and bangs, and I'm going to let her show you how easy it is to apply it yourself. Okay, Shane, so you are all prepared. You've just simply taken your hair and gelled it up, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then we're going to go in the dryer and let it dry. Since it is so short, the gel will hold it up, but the once we dry it, that'll hold it intact even better. Okay, so we'll see you when you get from under dryer. We'll get started. If you're going to install the bangs and ponytails, you start with the ponytail first. There is an opening where you will insert your ponytail, no matter how short, into that opening. Pull the drawstring until it is comfortably tight, close to your scalp, and then just like if you were putting a rubber band around your own ponytail, just begin to use the elastic and wrap around the ponytail and your hair until it feels comfortably tight. And now you're ready to install the bangs. There are 4 clips, 2 on the side and 1 in the front and 1 in the back. Place the bangs where you feel like they're comfortable for you. Just unsnap all of the clips. Scoop your hair underneath the clips. And one thing about my bangs, they don't have to go on any certain way. According to your imagination or your styling, you can turn them vertically, horizontally, diagonally, whatever it works for you. Just use your own creativity. And if you're someone who just wants to use the bangs for minor hair loss, you can install them and blend them in with your own hair just to give it volume. So my bangs are versatile in that area. Shane is applying my styling lotion to mold the bang and to just make it pliable so that she can part it or shape it any way that she wants. And I am going to go at this point. I don't get a chance to come up here often, so I'm going to go out in the salon and mingle with some of the customers and to see my precious daughter. I'm going to leave the camera on Shane and just let her play with this ponytail and show you some different styles. She's really creative in that way. And thank you for tuning in. I'll see you again soon. Take care.